What's up, YouTube? Today we are looking at a Gunstock by Queen. It says Master Cutlery Collection Stainless. Alright, so it's a Gunstock, obviously. It's got nice jigging. Secondary pen blade, which I always appreciate. I know a lot of people are like, get rid of the secondaries. Should polish this up a little bit. It's got a scuff. The point on this is very, very pointy. This was, I think, 35 or 40 bucks off of eBay. I instantly picked it up. I've wanted one of these for some time. That jigging is so good. So we got let me see if I can plant this. We have a big gap, but that's all right. This is openable if you pinch it. It's just, I don't think one-handing it's going to work out for me. This is the kind of stuff you got to keep your eye open for on the bay. I'll do another video that isn't like freehand and also very short, so, you know, it'll be a little longer. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. That's about all she wrote for this one. You folks have a great rest of your day. Bye now.